Now let's take a look at the last question in this charting exercise. Question again on the topic of reality, which is studied by the branch of metaphysics. And this is a follow-on to our last chart. This is the problem of free will, determinism, and fatalism. And the central question is, do we act of our own free will, or are all of our actions predetermined and are a result of fate? Now, we saw that with respect to the problem of freedom, free will, determinism, and fatalism, one could be a libertarian, which means you say people act freely, that is, they have free will, they could do otherwise, and thus it's not the case that every event has a cause, has an event causing it. That is, people's free actions are not caused by events that precede them. Second position, the position the determinists take. Position of determinism. Every event has a cause, some earlier occurring event that makes it happen. And since that's the case, human actions are not free. They couldn't do otherwise. People can't do otherwise. Freedom is, they might say, is just an illusion. We never really act freely. And the final position you could take with regard to the problem of freedom and determinism is compatibilism or soft determinism, and that is freedom and determinism are both true, or they can both be true. That is, that people's free actions are caused by internal events. That is, that's how the freedom and determinism can both be true. That is, free actions are ones caused by events internal to the person, wants, desires, volitions they talk about. Actions which aren't free are caused by external events external to the person. Somebody else moves your hand. Maybe they put an electrode in your head and cause a reflex reaction in that way. So those are the positions that you take with respect to the problem of free will and determinism. I think now we've finished seeing how to fill out the charts in the charting exercise, and I hope you're learning a little bit more and understanding the problems of philosophy, and now understand what makes a problem a philosophical problem.